Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Going to take a quick look at a case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. All right, now this case is made by Hoerrye. All right, I don't think I've used them before, but we're going to check it out. Let's go ahead and get started. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Hoerrye for Google Pixel 7 Pro case. Premium translucent matte frosted slim military grade shockproof protection, anti-fingerprint, scratch resistant, and hardback phone cover for the Pixel 7 Pro. All right, here's a picture of them right here. Here, a couple of pictures right there. Don't yellow, full protection. Okay, doesn't look bad in the pictures. You can get it in matte black, you get it in blue matte, and you can get it in frosted silver. $14.99 on Prime. You get a coupon as well if you want to clip that. I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box that it comes in right there. Hoerrye, beautiful for life, case, phone protection. Got a little bit more information on the bottom right there. Then a picture of it on the back. This is some more guaranteed protection. All right, so let's take this out of the box. Now, I'm not a big fan of the translucent cases, but let's see how this one feels when we put it on. Let's get this out of the way right here to the side. Okay, so here's the case. Now, it's not thick, so I like that. And you got that translucent back right there where you see how that looks when you put the phone on. You got cover for the camera. That's going to be well protected. And you got an opening for the charging port and your fingerprint scanner. Nothing else on this side right here. Opening for the mic hole and the opening right there up top. Still got to figure out what that is. Power button and the volume down rocker. Just open a little bit, all right? But it's a fairly thin case. You got that hard PC back with the translucent back right there, so you won't get fingerprints and it won't yellow. And you got the matte sides, all right? But not too thick, okay? We'll see how that looks when we put the device inside. Okay, so here's the device, the Pixel 7 Pro. Let's go ahead and put it inside the case and see what it's all about. So the case, even though the case is thin, it's fairly, it's kind of stiff. So it offers a nice fit, but not too bulky. So this one is not going to give you a whole lot of protection, not a drop protection, minor drops maybe, but it'll help put scratches and give you that slim feel, okay? So the phone doesn't get bulky with this one. Okay, now here's what the screen looks like. This is raised up a little bit. So on a flat surface, you probably can put this down. I wouldn't slam it down, but, and this comes up fairly high on the side right here. And the back, you can see it's got that translucent look to it right there. I got to get used to that, but it's not too bad. And the camera is well protected, no problem there, okay? So you're going to get protection there. Power button works fine and doesn't feel slippery or anything, so you got some grip, so you'll be all right. Okay, now everything lines up on the bottom, charging port and your speakers right there, and your mic hole lines up, no problem. And you got this opening right there, okay? So, and the camera's, the metal is fairly covered for the most part. And you got an opening. Oh no, it's not covered. That looked like that was covered on my camera, but it's not. So you see that right there. You got that opening. So it's going to be well protected, okay? Now, let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, here's the wireless charger. Let's put the device on. So pick that wireless charge, no problem there. Let's see what happens when we stand it up. So it picks up wireless charging there. Let's lay it down, see what happens. So it picks up wireless charge there as well, all right? So charging all three positions. The case not too thick, so I didn't think we'd have a problem, okay? Okay, so that was a quick look at the Hoerrye case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro, all right? So decent case, costs $14, $15. I'm not sure if it's worth that, but there's probably more better cases out there for that amount of money. But it's not bad, all right? I think you could do better if you were trying to pay that much money for this case, okay? Now, but it's decent. It's decent. I mean, it'll work. If you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.